to present high voltage distributed system. So before that, I want to introduce myself. I am Munishankar, Executive Engineer, Construction, Andhra Pradesh State as Power Distribution Company, APSPDCL, sir, Andhra Pradesh Power Distribution Company Limited, in which five districts are comprising, out of which, and this is the Anantapur district. In Anantapur district, we are having approximately 15 lakh consumers, out of which 3 lakh consumers are agriculture farmers. So Anantapur district is a severe drought area district, failure of monsoons, erratic and scanty rainfall in the district. In addition to that, low voltage are severely to the farmers, hence motors are burning frequently. So to avoid these things, because in the generally any discoms, generally practice of any discom is to lay 11 kV lines from 33 by 11 kV substation, erect a 3-phase 11 kV 400 volts transformer at one convenient location, and they lay long LT lines up to the nearest load center to the consumers. Because of that, poor tail end voltage will occur at consumer motor terminals, high technical losses due to more length of lines, more scope of theft of power. So frequent jumper cuts and fuse blow.
Sir, your PPT not moving, sir.
PPT नहीं चल रहा.
Yes. Next, before that, I am telling a brief note on that only.
That's okay.
So to overcome all these low voltage problems, HVDS high voltage distribution system was introduced here by funded by World Bank to maintain quality and reliability of supply, because motor terminal ends are 415 volts motor voltage at levels, but we are getting 350 like that only at present situation. So to improve that reliability of voltage levels, so we introduced this HVDS system, sir. Under this scheme, 84,402 numbers of farmers are benefited with a cost of 608.19 crores. So the scheme was introduced at 2017 April, 2000 February we have started, and we have completed May 2021. So the main activities to improve the voltage at the consumers, overload relief to the existing DTRs, and improving quality supply of the consumers, reduction of theft of energy, cooking system, like that. In addition to that, 23,587 numbers unauthorized service also regulates, sir, by doing HVDS system and also because of this high voltage system, so LT voltage levels from 362 it has increased to 360 volts to 415 volts at consumer motor terminals. After implementing this, the failure of mother DTRs, 100 kV, 63 DTRs actually we are having. So that that our DTRs are failure rate of 6.63 to 1.51 drastically changed, reduced, sir. So enhancement of reliability, reduction in fault occurs also reducing, frequent power interruption also reduced, theft of electricity by laying LT network with kV cables. With bare control was replaced with LT AB cables. So that also done in the HVDS system. Approximately 38,994 numbers for 25 kVA or 60 kVA. These two small transformers we are erecting in HVDS system. Previously 100 kVA transformer, 63 kVA transformer are existing. So by removing that 100 kVA and 63 kVA, we erected 25 small DTRs with the 25 kVA or 16 kVA transformers to the farmers. Approximately 2 or 3 based upon the load of the consumers. We are erecting say 16 kVA or 25 kVA, whether it's 2 consumers or 3 consumers. So only for these two, these 2 or 3 consumers are having only one transformer, that's 25 and 16 kVA. So because of this, that the 23,587 numbers at ANA service are regularized, so that total energy also countable to energy audit wing, sir. Energy for energy audit purpose also that.
So your presentation is not moving.
सर आपकी presentation नहीं चल रही है, आप presentation थोड़ा सा.
Okay, 20,587 number ANA connections which results into saving of 1.26 million units per day.
Scroll the presentation. You stuck at one place.
No, sir. Next.
Your presentation becomes static,
Okay.
and others' presentations are not coming. So please scroll it.
Okay. So we are Anantapur district, sir. Yes, district head is here, super engineer. Project name is a high voltage distribution system.
You are scrolling out only then. Scrolling cheyandi. Okay, first slide lo undipoyaru meer. First slide lo undipoyaru.
We are doing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, scroll, is it scroll, sir? Coming, sir?
No.
Sir?
You are
Hello?
stuck at one single presentation you started with.
No, here I am going to scroll.
Or if it is a problem, continue, because if it's an unrectifiable problem, then you continue with the presentation.
I have time, sir. Just 1 minute, I have time, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, sir?
Yes, now it's moving.
It's done.
Okay, sir. No, sir?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Next one.
ये तो हो गया ना. Let's go ahead.
Come to the slide that you are speaking of.
Okay, sir. Here I am having a slight changes, sir, but don't know where you are not ready.
No, further up.
Further, sir. So if this farmers are backbone of our country, development of the country depends on the development of the farmers. HVDS scheme main objective is to provide quality and reliability of supply to all agricultural consumers, to avoid overloading of DTRs, thereby reducing DTR failures and reducing line losses and theft of energy, theft from agriculture sector, sir. And this scheme, 84,462 numbers of farmers were benefited, and financial expenditure of 608.19 crores incurred so far, sir. The project also completed in May 2021. Next. Here, sir, by in HVDS system, we have converted 11,870.19 km of existing LT three-phase line into 11 kV line. And also you remove the bare conductor and you have re-erected 4,753 km of LT AB cables, sir. Instead of bare conductor, we have used the LT air bunched cables, sir. Out of which 11,403 number 16 kV is erected, and 27,591 number 25 kV DTRs also erected for 2 or 3 consumers only for each transformer, sir. So by erecting of these single 16 and 25 kV DTRs, approximately 4,906 mother DTR, that means 100 kV or 60 kV, whatever higher capacity transformers also removed from that field, sir. And also for the so many farmers in practically they are laying wires on the stick so wooden poles, sir. So that also removed, and we regularized that thing with 422.27 km for new 11 kV line also erected by as per standard level, sir. So in addition to the 23,587 number, ANAS farmers also regularized and they are assigned new numbers also, sir. So because of this, the farmers are very happy because they are getting very reliable voltage, sir. Practically this 360 to 415 volts means enhancement is very good assignment, sir. This is so they are getting 415 volts, and because of this discharging of water and everything also in high rate, and crop yield also extent area of the district also increased, sir. So for major problem of our discom is failure of DTRs, that also 6.63 to 1.51%, sir. So this is the system. This is the project. So actually, we are having so many write-off problems also by erecting these new lines and everything. Even though we are in the difficulty conditions also, now we have implemented this project and we succeeded in the project with great things, sir. So same, sir, nomination questions, HVDS same, sir, 84,000. And also remaining services also we are going to take up the under HVDS scheme, sir. So consumers are now very happy with the 450 volts transformers. 450 voltage, 450, they are getting 450 voltage at consumer level, sir. So the 11 kV, 11 kV, directly the 11 kV voltage is approximately near to the consumer end, but that's why they are getting 450 volts transformer by this high voltage distribution systems. This is the old transformer. We are getting 100 kV transformers or whatever it may be, mother DTRs. So from this transformer, we are having 20-25 connections, sir. 20-25 farmers will be there on the transformer. So if any failure of the transfer rate is very high, sir, if so many consumers are within the range of that 100 kV transformer and fuse are fluently blowing, sir. Next. So this is the bad portion of the wirings, and they are not safety conditions also, sir, because these are also removed. These lines. This is the HVDS transformer having 16 kV or 25 kV transformer, sir, with safety conditions. So it is very safe in the rural areas. Safety also very necessary. So because this, that's why this high voltage distribution transformer is very essential. The system is very essential in the agricultural field, sir. So farmers are very happy, and they are also given the statements also. The water discharge also in a high rate, sir. This is the our presentation on behalf of APSPDCL, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So for this high voltage distribution, what is the voltage you are using? 11 kV or 22 kV or 32 kV?
Sir, 11 kV voltage only we are from 33 by 11 kV supply, we are extending 11 kV supply. That previously only one mother DTR is situated at one place. Farmers are getting 415 volts, face-to-face voltage is 415 volts they have to get. But in the previous case, they are getting 315, 330, 350.
No, that is because of your energy losses. So that is because of your energy losses, it is reducing. I've still not understood. Normal distribution is at 11 kV. Am I right?
Yes, 11 kV distribution, but the voltage is, sorry, suppose one transformer previous. Sir, here this is the 100 kV transformer. We are giving 11 kV supply to the transformer. Okay. Farmers are getting low, only LT 450 volts.
No.
Now,
farmer will get 440 volt or 430 volt, whatever it is. but your distribution will be at 11 kV. It will
Yes,
be
11.
stepped down. It will be stepped down at the farmer's place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Instead of one place, directly that will goes to the transformer, 25 kV transformer, where you have erected at the transformer farmer end only, sir. We are at this transformer farmer end only, sir. At bore level. At bore place, we are erecting new transformer for 2 to 3 farmers only. 11 kV they are giving to this transformer, and voltage is 450. You are getting.
So earlier, each transformer was feeding around 20-30 farmers.
Yes, sir. Because of the low voltage will come to the farmer.
No, but that's a bad design. That's a bad design. Because
Yes, sir, bad design, sir.
Because if each farmer is having a 2 to 5 kVA load and you are giving it to 30-40 farmers, then you will definitely have a lot of losses.
Yes,
The losses
actually, sir, in India, overall, that is the scenario. So by eliminating that process, we introduced a high voltage distribution system. This system is called high voltage distribution system, sir, because we are giving 11 kV at nearer to the farmer end, sir. So that's why low voltage will not arise, sir.
No, okay. No, I think no, it is good. It is good what you have done. I don't find something really unique coming out in this. Because if such a distribution...
Sir, because of 100 kV DTR, so many any farmer will dig a bore and hook the system, sir. But here, the theft also are eliminated, because every 2 farmers we have erected transformers, they thought that they are the own property of this transformer for 2 persons. They won't allow third party to hook the system. So theft of energy also eliminated, sir.
See, the problem which you were facing is that there was a lot of, once you are distributing at 440 volt to about 40-50 people, then you know what happens, there is a lot of theft which takes place.
Yes.
And once the theft takes place, you have no control over it. So you have designed your system for a certain load, and the load becomes 1.5 times. So naturally, what the legitimate farmer will get is not 430 volt, but he'll get it 350 volt, because there are unauthorized people who are tapping onto that. So by limiting it, by giving it only to 2 or 3 farmers, you are ensuring that those farmers will do the policing for you also, that nobody else taps into their own connection.
Yes, sir.
So that's what the thing is. Anyhow, it's a good innovative way of doing it. I'm happy. Keep it up.
Thanks.
Okay, Mr. Munishankar, you have done a good job, but it's in a very limited way in Anantapur district only, isn't it?
No, sir. That now we are continuing the fight is APSPDCL, sir. We are going to close all the LT system to HVDS system, sir.
All 13 districts.
Down, sir.
All right. Now, see, you have presented presentation like an annual report. Okay. Now there are, like, it was identified that something you have done good. Now you have repeatedly told that the farmers are very happy and satisfied, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if I have to ask you, what is the improvement in the yielding of the cultivated crops, because there is a improvement in the water supply system because of the optimum use of electricity that you supplied with the new method. So can you have any data to show that this is the improvement in yielding and improvement in the economic lot of the farmers?
Sir, actually, that state that we have to get it from agriculture department yielding pattern. We have not get it, sir. Actually, sir, this is the border of Karnataka.
See, you realize the demand for water, and thus you improve the electric supply system, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So the improvement in the water supply is nothing but to improve the yielding crop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It yield improved, sir. Improved, sir.
Yeah, that you have you quantified as to how we ultimate objectives met besides saving electricity.
Sir, previously this one thing, sir. This is the border of Karnataka district, and also this is the severe drought area. So many persons from this district are going to the Karnataka for labor, sir.
That I understand. Okay. Just when you assess this situation as to put your hard job to reflect in the benefits that you actually accrued to. So that will be very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.